Understanding playing the lottery. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a common phrase that you might have heard, playing the lottery. This phrase is widely used and has interesting implications in both literal and metaphorical contexts. Let's unlock its meaning together. When we talk about playing the lottery, we're referring to the act of participating in a game of chance where players buy tickets for a small price in the hope of winning a large sum of money. The outcome is entirely based on luck, and the winners are selected randomly. Lotteries are popular worldwide and can vary in format, from drawing numbers to scratching cards. Lotteries have a few key components. Tickets. These are what players purchase to enter the game. Each ticket has a unique set of numbers or symbols. Drawing. This is the event where the winning numbers or symbols are randomly selected. Prizes. The rewards can range from small amounts to extremely large jackpots, often attracting millions of participants. People are drawn to playing the lottery for several reasons. The dream of winning big. The chance to win a life-changing amount of money with a small investment is a powerful allure. Entertainment value. For some, it's a form of entertainment or a ritual, enjoying the suspense and excitement. Charitable contributions. In many cases, part of the proceeds from lottery sales goes towards public services or charitable causes, making participants feel they are contributing to a good cause. Metaphorically, playing the lottery can describe any situation where success is based on luck rather than skill. For example, venturing into a new business with unpredictable outcomes could be likened to playing the lottery. This expression highlights the uncertainty and risk involved in the endeavor. We hope this video has shed light on the phrase, playing the lottery, and its various nuances. Whether literally buying a ticket hoping for a windfall, or taking a chance on a new venture, playing the lottery is a concept that resonates with the hopes and dreams of many. Remember, the English language is rich with phrases that can add color to our conversations. Keep exploring, and see you in our next video.